Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to capture MuMu Player in OBS Studio. First, open MuMu Player. Then click the three dots depending on your version and open device settings. After that, open the display tab and change the resolution to match your monitor size. Then close settings and open it. Once it has loaded, open OBS Studio. Then add the window capture source. After that, you can add the name if you want. Then select Android Player as the window. Now you will notice the screen is gray and nothing is showing. So to fix that, change the capture mode to Windows 10 and up. After that, you will see that it's working properly. Then you can hide the cursor or drop the client area if you want. After that, click OK. Now don't resize the window. Instead, select MuMu Player and press F11. So it will go into full screen mode. Then press the Windows key and open OBS Studio. After that, you will see the capture has resized automatically. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.